Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. Bear with me as I learn new technology and try to teach little snippets of information to you. So we're looking at partial quotients, we're looking at traditional logarithm, just to review for division. I know you guys know how to do all this stuff, but a little bit more of the same, right? So if we have our dividend is 453, and we have a divisor of 4, for example, and we ask ourselves, what are we taking into our hundreds? How many hundreds can we get here? So if we're doing our partial quotient strategy here, how many fours, how many times will 4 fit into 453? And you guys know your multiplication facts, and it'll go in 100 times. You can put 100 over to the side. 4 times 100, 400, and subtract that out, and you're left with 53. All right? And you ask yourself, how many 4s will fit into 53? Sorry about my numbers. And you guys know your multiplication facts, and you know that, well, you know that 4 times 12 is 48, all right? And so you know it'll go in that many times, but let's say you didn't. Let's just say, well, I know 4 times 10 is 40, so 4 times 10, 40. You could subtract out your 40, and you're left with 13. And you know that 4 times 3 is 12, and you can subtract out your 12. You have 1 left over. So 4 goes into 453. 110 plus 3, well, that's 113. With a remainder of 1. And my pen is not working on this screen. And we know that's the same as saying 1/4, remainder of 1/4. All right? And so it's very similar to just doing it the traditional way. Divisor of 4 and 2, 453. And we know that 4 goes into the 4 one time. That's our hundreds. We subtract it out. Bring down our 5. 4 goes into 5 one time. Subtract it out. Bring down our 3. And we know 4 goes into 13 3 times. Right? The remainder of 1. I need a better stylus. So anyway, there you have a model. And hope you enjoyed hearing my voice. All right. Miss you guys. Take care. And now I need to figure out how to save this.